was the lead vocalist for the Rolling Stones hit Happy during their 1975 LA Forum concert. Keith Richards assumed vocal duties for Happy during the Stones' LA set, offering fans a gritty, personal rendition of the hit. And what notable visual element features in the Rolling Stones' Love is Strong music video? The video for Love is Strong visually enlarges the Rolling Stones as giants in New York City, a notable creative choice by David Fincher. The Rolling Stones first performed Brown Sugar live at which event? The Rolling Stones unveiled Brown Sugar live at the Altamont Speedway Free Festival in December 1969, prior to its official release. Which Rolling Stones song was distributed as a promotional single with both an explicit and a cleaned-up version? She's So Cold got a dual version released due to its icy lyrical candor. Rolling Stones fans received cooler than ice treatments through its lively promotion. Which artist's influence led to an additional songwriting credit for the Rolling Stones' 1997 single? The chorus similarity to K.D. Lang's Constant Craving earned her a songwriting credit on the Rolling Stones' 1997 track. Which Rolling Stones member contributed to the line "Waitresses with Broken Noses" in I Go Wild? The line about waitresses with broken noses in I Go Wild was inspired by Ronnie Wood's colorful anecdotes. Mick Jagger used these stories to add edgy scenarios to the lyrics. And where did the Rolling Stones record Mixed Emotions? The Rolling Stones recorded Mixed Emotions in Montserrat, returning to form after tensions between Jagger and Richards with a renewed creative unity. Which notable producer collaborated with Mick Jagger on the album containing Evening Gown? Mick Jagger's album * Wandering Spirit * featuring Evening Gown was produced by Rick Rubin. Their collaboration brought out varied musical influences and showcased Jagger's range beyond his Rolling Stones persona. What is notable about the Rolling Stones cover of Going to a Go-Go? The Rolling Stones version of Going to a Go-Go was notably recorded live, adding a raw energy to their interpretation of the classic. Last question. At the Rolling Stones' 50th anniversary concert, which artist performed Gimme Shelter with the band? Florence Welch shared the stage with Mick Jagger for Gimme Shelter. Her vocals added a fresh dynamic to the classic Stones track.